Hello, my name is Ted Harris, Harris Inc., and this is my audition tape for Punch and Judy for Pennsylvania Renaissance Fair 2003. Ladies and gentlemen, how do you do? If you're happy, I'm happy too. Stop and share my very little plays and make me laugh and they not make me pay. Mr. Punch is happy and is a very good fellow. The struggle strong and yellow. The light in toast is a wonderful nose and learn that Dick never can tell. And how do you see my wonderful Judy? Hello there, Judy. What do you want, lobster face? A kiss and a smack, my pretty little Judy. Here's a smack. You want another one, Mr. Punchinello? Oh, just another one. Is that the baby crying? I'll go see. Here's the baby. Oh, look, here's the cute one. She has the cute. Oops, he has his father's nose. My nose, my pretty little nose. Oh, you naughty baby. Where's the baby? He's around here. I thought you were looking for him. What, you black-haired villain? Here's all black. Here's a track. Here's a Zack. Oh, my nose, my best Sunday nose. Oh, doctor, police, murder. Yeah, Mr. Bunch, there is a hat. Oh, my nose, my wonderful nose. Okay, I got toes, got wonderful toes. Oh, my toes are fine, see? Your toes are fine. I am just the man for you. Come and take your medicine. Oh, no more medicine, dear doctor. I feel good. I'm a spirit bill. Pay, pay, pay. Punch and Judy, pump for pie. Punch you, Judy, smack in the eye. Punch you, Judy, we go more than Judy, punch my eye sore. Stop playing that noise out there. There are no toys out here. Stop playing that noise. There are no boys out here. Stop ringing that bell. This is no bell, this is a violin. Stop playing that violin. This is no violin, it's a piano. Why you play the piano very well? Here, let me show you. Let me move here more gently than this. Open that door in the name of the law. There's nobody home. What's going on? I smell foul play. I beg to differ. They're just resting. Exhibit A, are you dead? Exhibit B, C, and D, are you dead? I'm good alibi. You're very good. Here. Oh, my head, you have such a hard head. Ow! Some of you would survive. Is that any way to talk to a old lady? I beg your pardon, ma'am. I have come to hang you for 5 murders. Oh, my Rolly Reed. Oh, your nonsense. Put your head in here. Here? Oh, higher. Here? No lower. Here? 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 No! 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 How am I supposed to know? I've never been hung before. Like this one head studs. And you pull the rope like this. Yeah, I'm smart already. Woolly wood. I smell smoke. Woolly wire. I smell fire. Ah! I come for you. Oh no, not good, Lily, not nice, Lily. Yes, I can come for you, Mr. Bunch. Ooh, Mr. Punch, that black-hearted villain. Had to hang him this morning. Here. Thank you. ABC, not XYZ, the cat's in the corner, can't catch me. Rough. Come to lunch, Mr. Punch. Aha, great big bug. Oh no, Mr. Punch, I am an alligator. Alley capital like here. Take that. Mind your manners, Mr. Punch. Welcome to my place. I'm with my tunes and bears again and see us soon. And that was our production, Punch and Judy, which we are presenting for the Pennsylvania Renaissance Fair for 2003. We hope to see many soon. And we encourage you to write, call, or email to jb1023@aol.com. On this some planet, this is Dave, the JP and Ted Show will be coming to your community.